What's up, sixth grade? Hey, it's almost the end of the year, so there's a few things that I'm going to go over, some dates that you need to understand that are getting ready to happen. But first, don't forget you can check on our investments. You guys are the virtual right here with Morgan Stanley. So as of yesterday, it looks like we finished up down about $1.20. This will update live. I've got the spreadsheet built so that it's pulling these stock prices. So every 15 minutes it'll update. It's a little bit behind the actual market, but pretty close. So if you click on there in the middle of the day, you'll see those move. Remember that the stock market is actually open from 8:30 till 3 o'clock. So if you're checking these early in the morning, they may not move very much. If you check them in the middle of the day, you'll see them kind of bounce around some. So as of right now, at this moment, it looks like we got a tight race between Pfizer and Roblox. That's first and second period. They're only separated by about a penny right now. And overall, we've risked $700 in there, and I have lost $6.65. Man. Uh, Probably more to come over the next couple of days. There's some economic numbers that are coming out that's making everybody sad and ready to sell, and the sky is falling. But anyway, if you want to check on that, you can look at it anytime. Now, here, important stuff. I have to post grades tomorrow. That's Friday. So that means if you have anything that is not turned in that you would like to receive credit for, you need to get it done today. So some of you have some things still hanging out there that you need to get done. Some of you have a lot of things still hanging out there that you need to get done. For the most part, we're all caught up, though. So those of you that have everything turned in and your grade looks pristine and pretty, good for you. You don't have anything to do today. Those of you that have missing assignments, you need to spend a day getting some of those taken care of, if not all of them. So get your stuff posted because tomorrow I have to post grades. So make sure that you get your assignments turned in. Also, next week is the last week of school, so that means we're going to be taking up computers. I know that the date we're going to start taking them up here at the school is Tuesday. So I would assume you guys have been contacted about when they're going to get your computers. I'm not exactly sure on your date, but just understand, don't think that you're going to be able to just hang out all next week and get your stuff turned in. If you're trying to get grades in my class, today's the day. So you've put it off to the last minute. So get anything missing turned in, and I will give you credit for it. I'll still check back in with you guys before we officially close out the year, but understand since you're virtual and you'll be losing your computers, your end of the year will probably come a bit sooner than the other students. So just keep that in mind. Keep checking into our class each day. I'll post another video tomorrow, but make sure that you understand I need all my grades done tomorrow. So you need to do any missing work today. You guys have a good day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.